living in the moment, and here we are dreaming in the open. Now look around, isn't this a new day? Make a move, doing things a new way, a new way. This is our world, and this is our time. These are our plans, we're gonna let them shine. This is our place in the human race, and we won't stop dreaming. No, we won't stop dreaming. Look ahead, we can see forever. You and me doing it together.
Add 2 cups of all-purpose flour in a mixing bowl.
We can be a million.
Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda to the flour.
Look at us, don't you see we've come so far?
Then add 3/4 cup of cocoa powder and mix it well.
'Cause this is our world, and this is our time, and these are our plans, we're gonna let them shine.
Place a bowl on the double boil and add 100 grams of butter. Add 250 grams of chocolate to the butter and allow it to melt.
Dreaming, no, we won't stop dreaming. Standing at the crossroads, feeling how the wind blows. We can soar above.
Blend the mixture to this consistency.
Every moment is a heartbeat, and every breath feeling so sweet.
Take a bowl and add 2 eggs.
Now, 'cause this is our.
Add 150 grams of sugar to it and beat the mixture to a frothy consistency.
These are our plans, we're gonna let them shine. This is our place in the human race, and we won't stop dreaming. No, we won't stop dreaming. This is our world, and this is our time. And these are.
Now blend in the melted chocolate to form a smooth mixture.
Shine. This is our place in the human race, and we won't stop dreaming. No, we won't stop dreaming. We won't stop.
Now add the chocolate mixture to the flour.
This is our world, and this is our time, and these are our plans, we're gonna let them shine.
Add 60 milliliters of vegetable oil and add Choco chips to it.
And we won't stop dreaming. No, we won't stop dreaming. Standing at the crossroads, feeling how the
Give it a nice mix.
we can soar above the clouds. Every moment is a heartbeat, and every breath feeling so sweet.
Grease a baking tray and take the mixture little by little and place it on the tray.
'Cause this is our world, this is our time, these are our plans, we're gonna let them shine. This is our place in the human race, and we won't stop dreaming.
Preheat oven 180 degrees centigrade and bake it for 10 to 12 minutes.
And this is our time, and these are our plans.
Your yummy Choco Twist cookies are ready.
Shine. This is our place in the human race, and we won't stop dreaming. No, we won't stop dreaming. We won't stop dreaming.